It's always the same day. Every morning, there's always a job. But this time, it's different. I can feel it, changing me. Everything we've been through, our coming together, it's all led to this. It ends tonight, for all of us, for the future of replicant kind. There is no tomorrow for some of us after tonight. And there's always that dream, the woman with the blue hair, the one constant in my life. So, my own daughter, you have forsaken me. And for what? For him? You've made the wrong choice. One that will cost you dearly. I can feel them. All of them. Every replicant is now part of me, and I them, to obey my every command. And I command you all to take him out. And you, I may not be able to control your mother and yourself, but I have gotten all that I need. You are no longer required. Take her. You will be the last abomination in my new world. Nicola? What are you doing here?
I've been looking for you. I can't trust my father, not anymore. I'm aware now that he's using me. But somehow I know that I can trust you. Even if I can't remember you.
You can trust me. And we can't stay here right now. We gotta keep moving.
What's happening? The whole city, all of the other replicants are going haywire.
It's Edward. He's taken over all the replicants, but I don't know why you and I are immune.
They're coming. Go right, head for the underground station.
This way. Quick. There's a transport terminal. We can use that to get out of the city. All we need is a heavy armored truck and some artillery and... What?
Psst. Over here. City's going to shit, ain't it? Replicants going haywire. Attacking civilians? What the fuck did he do, Mac?
I recognize this man's voice. This is the officer who gave up your position to Solaris and turned your party in recently. Mac, we can't trust him.
It's okay. We can trust him.
Fuck it. Looks like we don't have a choice.
I take it this is her. The woman you've been trying to find?
It is, but she doesn't remember everything. Solaris, they took her memories like they did mine.
Okay, we gotta get you two out of here. Hop in. I'm taking us to a landing pod. I've got a police helicopter ready for transport there.
Shit, they're starting to swarm again. Obi, go, take her. I'll catch up. I'm right behind you.
They're shooting at us.
Okay, I'm here. Let's go.
You remember how to run the turret still, right, Mac?
I'm still the best shot the Academy ever produced.
Mac, behind you!
Can you drive this thing straight?
Stop backseat driving. I always hated when you did that.
Look out.
Hang tight. Head upstairs, quickly. We're attracting attention already. This way.
Damn it, they're still after us.
Mac, hop into the driver's seat. Get her inside, I'll hold them off.
What? No, I'm not leaving you here. I'll hold him off right next to you.
Just go, I'm right behind you.
Damn it. Nicola, let's go. Hop into the passenger seat. I need you to check the manuals. Let's start her up. Controls are operational. Alright, Obi, I expect you in here in the next 10 seconds.
Mac, let's go. They're starting to swarm down below us. If we stay here any longer, we'll be overrun. We have to lift off of this platform.
Shit, we're out of time. Mac, go! Go, I'm heading over now.
I'm gonna position the helicopter. You're gonna need to jump, Obi. When I tell you to.
He doesn't have much time. He has to jump on now.
I'm in position. Do it. Do it now.
I'm here. I told you I'd make it, buddy.
You son of a bitch. For a minute there, I didn't think you were gonna make it.
What a night, buddy. Just like old times, eh?
You and I remember old times very differently, Obi.
Wait. One of the replicants has a... Look out!
Mac.
What's wrong?
It was a hell of a run, brother.
What are you talking about? Pull yourself up.
I told you I've got your back.
Forget about that. It's okay.
Till the end. Now finish this. It has to end tonight.
We're almost out of here. Just hang on.
Mac, I'm sorry, but I'm sorry about... I'm sorry.
Obi, no! We have to go back. We have to turn around. There's still a chance.
Mac! He's gone.
No, he's still there.
He's gone. No. We have to keep going.
He's still there. I can save him.
Mac. I'm sorry. I can see you as your friend. We have to go.
Damn it. Ugh.
Oh man, I should have known. Gotten him help sooner. He was so concerned about me. He didn't bother to realize how deep his wound was.
It's not your fault, Lisa. Kings knew the risk. And he knew you were worth every bit of it. I'm sorry for your loss.
Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna finish this, right? His death, it's not gonna be in vain, right?
I promise you, Nisa, his death won't have gone in vain.
Matt?
Larky?
Matt, it's me.
No, stay away.
Matt, it's okay. It's her. The woman you remember. You know her.
It's okay, Nisa. I understand. I can see I hurt him when I wasn't in my right mind. I never want to hurt him again.
No, it's fine. I'm sorry. I just need a little more time, okay? It's all been a bit much.
I can give you all the time you need, Matt. I'll give you some time to grieve. I'll go upstairs to the roof and run a self-diagnostic from up there.
I'll come join you, Larky. We need to talk about everything that's gone on.
Go on. I'll be down here when you both are done. Oh, Kings. My love. I'm not ready to move on without you. What was that? Matt? Larky? Matt, come in!
Nisa, get out of here! Run! Larky, watch out!
Matt?
Ah!
Matt!
Oh God! What's happening? No! Oh no! Edward! He's done it! He's taken over other replicants from within the dreamscape. He's done it! No, I'm not leaving any more of my friends behind. Never again.
There's too many of them. I
don't know how or why, but I can feel you running through my blood, my body. I can feel your life and your power. So you see, you have to be okay. You have to stay here with me. 'Cause I came back for you. Because of you. I'm going to do something. An EMP that will knock out all replicants in our vicinity. I know it won't affect you, because I know now how much humanity you have inside of this body. I can feel it. I can feel you. Stay with me. Stay with me.
Kings, is that you?
There you are.
Oh my god, is that really you? But how?
I'm here, love. Our intimate connection. The nanobites in your blood, mixed with my augments. They saved me. You saved me.
Hey guys, I'm back, and I've brought some company.
Nicola? What? How did you? Mac? Didn't you say she shot you earlier?
She did, but it's okay, Matt. She's seeing things more clearly at the moment.
That right, Nicola? Can we trust you now?
I still don't know what's going on completely, but I know I can't trust my father either. That, and for some reason I can trust this man here.
You can, Nicola. You know me. You can always trust me.
Nicola? Welcome in. Are you hurt?
I'm not. Do I know you? You seem familiar.
No, we haven't met before. I'm sorry.
For what?
A story for another time, perhaps. Mac, we need to talk. The world outside. It's gone to hell.
No shit. We were just attacked earlier by replicants. They started to swarm us. Wait, all those cuts and bruises. The hell happened to you guys after I left?
Oh, not much. Replicants came in, swarmed us. I died, came back, set off an EMP pulse grenade. You know, the usual. How did you escape your swarm?
We only made it out of there with Obi's help. He...
Obi? Didn't that rat betray us? And
he sacrificed himself for us, Matt. In the end, he remained my friend.
Oh man, Mac. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
What matters now is that you made it back alive. You got Nicola back. Or what's left of her. But now we need to figure out how to stop all of this.
Somehow, Edward has taken control of replicant kind from within the dreamscape. It seems the only one immune to his control are Mac, Nicola, and myself. We've been talking before you got in. Larky has some valuable information to share with us.
Yes, I've scoured through my former replicant mind's files, and I've managed to uncover Solaris's plans. It seems that he's been developing a Neuralink chair that can tether a human mind to the replicant dreamscape. After they downloaded my memory files into this new replicant body, they used me to finish my research on Nicola. Once they had her back in the lab, she was the final piece to that puzzle. After that, they mind-wiped her and began using her as they did me to further their agenda.
Neuralink chair.
Yes, technology that will be used to control replicants remotely from within the dreamscape. His lab is on the top floor of the Solaris' building, but we have to stop him before this goes further.
What do you mean further?
Solaris plans don't end there, Mac. Edward has a contingency plan for the world. It's Nay. He's been developing a new replicant technology for use as a military-grade weapon. From earlier data the Resistance has managed to recover over these past few months, we're uncovering a new manufacturing plant. We believe Nay is the prototype. They aim to mass produce her and send her to the public soon.
No, we can't allow that to happen.
Agreed. That's why we need to come up with a plan. Tonight. All of this, with all that we now know, it has to be us.
I know, and we will. But there's something else we need to do first. Nicola, will you follow me, please? To the replicant tube.
Yeah, I'm not going into one of these again.
It's okay, love. You can trust me. Please, I'm trying to help you. Your mind, your memories, it's splintered, but I can help you. Please, let me help you.
I don't know why, but I feel like I can trust you for some reason.
You can. Now, open your mind to me. We are connected in a very special way, Nicola. We need your memories back because you are the key to all of this. You always have been. And we need you to remember. Remember who you are.
I can see it. These memories are mine. I can see him. We're it's too much. I can't.
Nisa, stop it. Get her out of there. Nicola, are you alright?
I'm fine. I saw some of the memories, but not all of it.
It's okay, love. The memories will come back in time. I managed to reverse the memory wipe that Solaris did to you, but you just have to give it some more time. You'll be okay.
Oh God. That woman. You're my mother, aren't you?
I am. I had to. I'm so sorry, love.
There's so much I want to ask you.
It's okay. We'll have time. We can talk when this is all over.
Mac, we need to come up with the plan. Time's running out.
We do. Everybody, meet me downstairs in the control room. We'll plan it all from there. Okay. These are the schematics. Take some time to look them over and familiarize yourselves with them. This is the Solaris building. I'm sure some of us remember our last outing there. And this over here is the new manufacturing plant. We'll need to split up and go to both locations tonight. One contingent to stop Edward Solaris, and the other to stop Nay.
I've got a stash of explosives at the safe house from before I went rogue on the precinct and joined up with you guys. We can take another shot at bringing down the Solaris building with that.
From my time with Nay at Solaris, I've developed a type of sisterhood with her. Some of the technology used in this replicant body came from her. I may be able to talk to her. I should be with the contingent that goes to the manufacturing plant.
I should go as well. Nay has the ability to transfer her essence from body to body. She is essentially immortal. If I can hack into the mainframe there, I can shut her code down once and for all.
Then that's what we do. I'll be going with Nisa as well. I won't let her out of my sight again.
Okay. This is it then. This might be the last time we're all together like this.
Hey, brother. I don't want to hear any of that kind of talk from you. We're made of sturdy stuff, remember? Blade runners till the end.
I know. I'll be upstairs. When you're all done looking over the schematics, meet me up there. And then we'll all roll out.
Hey, what is it? What's wrong?
It's nothing. It's just Obi. He didn't believe in all this. Nick, he sacrificed himself for a cause he didn't even believe in.
Mac, he did believe. He believed in you.
You've gotten us this far. Time to go the rest of the way.
Let's finish this. For my wife.
For Shogun.
For Obi. It all ends tonight. This is the plan. Nicola and I will head to Solaris. Nicola will be there to try and persuade her father to stop all of this madness. And I'll be there to end him if he doesn't. Matt, I need you to take everyone else to the mainframe with the information Larky and Nisa have given us. It'll be up to you to put an end to Solaris' plans. Kings, you're the only one that's faced off against Nay and survived. They're gonna need you too. Stay safe, everyone. We'll meet up at the rendezvous point.
This is it. This is the place. Wait. What is this? Is that?
It's her backup. Nay's last line of revival. Over there. That's the mainframe. I just need some time to hack into it and shut her code down, along with the rest of Solaris.
I'll stay here with Nisa. Make sure she has enough time to hack the mainframe. And make sure this thing doesn't get out anymore.
Larky and I will head over now. Let us know as soon as you've got the mainframe hacked.
Good luck, you two.
You too. We all know what's on the line tonight.
I scan 2 security guards at the entry point. The manufacturing plant is on the other side of those doors.
Piece of cake, love. Where is she? Where's Nay?
She's here. Wait. Something's different.
Well, well, well. Look what we have here. The traitor and her detective. How predictable. Say hello to the rest of me. Don't be rude.
Well, that's new. Matt, she's somehow split her consciousness into multiple copies of herself.
Courtesy of Edward Solaris, the final upgrade gift. Now I am made whole.
Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. Nope. Hell no.
Matt, there's too many of her. Run! This way.
Where are you going? There is nowhere you can hide, no distance you can go that I can track you. Let's end this tonight.
2 more guards.
We gotta take them out quick. They're gaining on us.
There's a transport up the stairs. If we can get to it, we can...
Larky, she's caught up to us. We gotta take them out here. Come on! Ah!
Matt!
Come here. Got you. Got you.
Nay, it doesn't have to be like this. You don't have to follow Edward's plans.
Shut up. You betrayed him. He was our creator, our father. He gifted you with the pieces of my technology. We were sisters.
You are special. A brand new life form. And you can choose another path. One that doesn't lead to so much death and destruction.
No, that's the difference between us. You strive to be human, like them. I embrace my superiority over them, as well as our father's plans for us. What makes you think you can defy them?
Because I know we're both something new. Ah!
Larky, you could have stood by my side when the world started anew, but now there will just be me.
That's the last time I ever let you hurt her. Are you okay, love?
Matt, thank you. I think I almost got through to her.
Not everybody can be saved.
She's still coming. We have to keep going up to the transport.
Keep going. Don't look back. The control panel. We have to lock it. Hurry.
Quick, inside the shuttle. We can hold tight there while Nisa finishes up.
Kings? Nisa? Whatever you're doing down there, you need to do it faster.
I'm almost there. I need a little more time.
Aw, shit! Nisa, I'm gonna need you to hurry up.
Almost. Almost. Got it. Mainframe is down.
Matt? Larky?
The pounding. It's stopped.
They did it! Kings, Nisa, we'll meet you at the rendezvous point. We're taking this transport out of here. Let's hope Mac and Nicola were able to get the job done at Solaris.
Matt, come in. The mainframe is down. I repeat, the mainframe is down.
Nice work, Kings. We're at the Solaris building now.
Remember, you have 15 minutes to get out of there. We'll see you at the rendezvous.
I know. We'll get out of there. Don't worry. We'll see you at the rendezvous.
Copy that.
Hey, did you see that game last night? The Pomato Town pirates put a beating on what the? Hey, Tony, are you seeing this? Check at your comms. There's something happening in the manufacturing plant. I don't know, Frankie. Boss says to stay here. He's expecting trouble. Yeah, but nobody's picking up. I think we should head out over there and figure out what's going on. Maybe we call the boss and... Oh, no. I'm staying right here. If anything happens to the boss, I'll never hear the end of it. Yeah, well, it's not like anyone's gonna creep up on us from behind and...
Okay, that's the last of the security guards. Let's place the charges. And this time, we'll make sure they go off.
We will. No matter what. Huh. Strange. The heat signatures in this building. There's nobody else left. Your father must be somewhere else. If he's connected to the dreamscape with a Neuralink chair, it's not here.
My father's lab is on the top floor, but by the time the whole building comes down, there won't be anything left of his malicious experiments. Remember, the charges are set for 15 minutes. Once they're set, there's no turning back. We just need to make sure we're out of the building and far enough away before the charges go off.
You're right. Just a few more charges. We're almost there.
That's the last one. Come on. Let's get the hell out of here.
Come on. Matt and Larky split up from Kings and Nisa. We just gotta get there and... Wait. Ruby? What are you...
Hey, stranger. It's been a while.
Who is that, Mac?
Matt, you don't call. You don't come around anymore. A ghost starts to feel abandoned at some point. Let me guess. You are trying to bring the Solaris building down again? But that won't work anymore. Edward, he's no longer in this plane of existence.
What?
He's passed on permanently to the dreamscape. You can't stop him anymore.
What? Mac, the neural link. It's on the top floor. But the charges...
I know. There's no choice. I have to get in there and stop him.
Go, hurry. I'll take care of her. Just make sure you get out in time.
Nicola, don't hurt her. She's not in charge of her body.
Don't worry. I won't hurt her too much.
You will stop me? I'm going to put you in your place, girl, and end your existence like I should have a long time ago.
Dad? Is that you in there?
You are no daughter of mine. You are an abomination. One that I'll finally erase.
I won't let you hurt anyone else. Your plans. The end tonight. We will stop you. I'm sorry. I know you're not in control, but there's no time. Oh God. 10 minutes. Mac? Mac, come in, do you read me? Mac!
Minutes. I can do this. This is it. This is where it all started. And this is where it's gonna end. The Neuralink chairs. They're here. Just like Larky said they would be.
Thank you. I owe you one.
I'm in it with you to the end, Mac.
Humans aren't bound by code, and as such have more power in the dreamscape. We don't know who created it, but we do know its limitations. There is nothing that can limit a human there, other than their own mental limits.
We're gonna stop him. One way or the other. Right, Mac?
If I wake up, will you still be there with me? Will I still be wrapped in your arms?
Let them go, Edward. Welcome, detective. Do you like what I've done with the place? Welcome to my new world. It doesn't have to go down like this. You fight for the replicant kind, but you are not one of them. In here, I am a god. I can rule the real world through it, and I will not let you stop me. The world you left behind, it's hurting because of you. Replicants. They seek to replace humanity, but they forget their place. Like you, detective, remember what you are. Your power is limited by your mind in here, and I'm willing to bet that my mind is greater than yours. Enough! Come on! Bring it!
Mac? No.
They're not trying to replace us, Edward. They are us. Alive, like you and me. Like your own daughter, Nicola. Enough. Stop acting like you know what you are talking about. My daughter is an abomination, one that has served its purpose in bringing me here into this world. You're wrong. She brought me here to stop you. I'm sorry. Tried my best. It's not enough. Forgive me.
I remember everything. I remember us. So you see, you have to keep fighting. Because you have to come back to me. Because I love you, Mac. I love you. Now get up. Get up.
You have nothing left to fight for. Let your struggle end. No, that's where you're wrong. I have everything left to fight for. It can't end like this. This is the end of Solaris and the beginning of replicant kind.
You came back.
I heard your voice in there.
Mac,
I know. I love you too.
The building, the charges have gone off. Everything's coming down.
We have a beach vacation to get to. Remember?
Sand beneath our feet. The waves crashing.
The sounds of seagulls.
Mac, I'm scared.
It's okay. Close your eyes, baby.
What happened? Oh God. Mac, I'm so sorry.
Mac, he did it. Wherever you are, thank you.
Matt, let me get you a fresh medical bandage for your eyes. I can
see who you are. Who you are to me.
I know I'm not her, but I still feel what she felt for you. I just want you to be happy.
I know, and I am happy when I'm with you, Larky, in any form.
Matt,
Do you think Mac and Nicola, did they?
I think they found each other. That's what I'm gonna believe.